So the overall ETP, what we are trying to do is to bring together the whole community within Scotland and Ireland. And we already have about 80 different researchers within universities working actively together. And we're trying to have an exchange of knowledge with especially small and medium-sized enterprises, but also larger companies. Part of that knowledge exchange is key that the academics come together and industry come together. Most importantly, Scottish government is making the policy and also come together. So ETP is taking small seeds and planting them, and we're seeing the trees coming up now. So it's very, very nice to see those small seeds that we planted about 10 to 5 years ago now coming into big companies.